Hello class, this is Mr. Acord. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying home for Nevada. Um, I'm gonna try to give you videos probably 2 to 3 times a week until we come back. I hope you're doing very well. Um, and I'm gonna start off where we left off. Some of you guys may already know this. We only did one assignment. I'm gonna have a couple more before I move on to y equals mx plus b. So find slope given two ordered pairs. I have -5 and 1 and 5 and 5. Those are my ordered pairs. I'm going to use my tic-tac-toe method to organize my equation. So here's my x and y, and then a 1 and 2. All right, I'm going to number my ordered pairs just so I know where they go. So my first ordered pair, -5 and 1, I just plug into my equation, -5 and 1. All right, my next one is 5 and 5. So now I have my tic-tac-toe. All right, so all I did here was I plugged in here, I plugged in this ordered pair right into x and y, and then I plugged in my second ordered pair here right into the second column here. That's how I got that. Now I'm going to plug it into my slope equation, or slope right here. Y of 1 minus y of 2 over x of 1 minus x of 2. And I've told you guys before that you may see this on the internet as y of 2 minus y of 1 over x of 2 minus x of 1, but this is just the easiest way to do it without messing up your organization and your tic-tac-toe. You'll get the same answer, I promise. It does not mess anything up. So my first one, how do I plug it in? My y1 is going to be 1 because I get y and then 1, so that's how I get my 1. I get the minus sign from the equation built in, all right? And then my y2 is going to be 5. So 1 minus 5 is my first one. That's my top line. Then I put it over a fraction bar because it's the fraction bar in the equation. So my x1 is going to be -5. Get the minus sign again from the equation, and then I have a 5 here. So -5 minus 5. All right, so our m, or slope, is going to equal 1 minus 4, or 1 minus 5, which equals -4. Remember, if you have a $1 in the bank, you spend 5, you're going to end up with -4. All right, that's going to be over 5 minus 5. So I have -5 and I subtract 5. Same sign, so it's always going to be adding, and then I keep my sign. So it's going to be -10. All right, but I can't be done here because I have 2 even numbers, and I also have this right here, 2 negatives. All right, so when I divide a negative by a negative, I get a positive for 1, but these are both even numbers, so I can divide by 2. So my 4 divided by 2 is going to equal 2. 10 divided by 2, or 10 divided by 2 is 5. So my m is going to equal 2 over 5. I can't simplify it any further, so that is my answer. M, or slope, equals 2 over 5. If you have any questions, or like I said again, if you have any ways to improve the video or what I can do, please just let me know, email me, and I'll do my best to accommodate you guys. This should be a good refresher. I hope you guys are staying safe once again, and I'll post this assignment online soon. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.